Good morning, everyone. It is the start of day 2, and it's going to be a lovely day. As you can see, the beach is right there, and before I make breakfast, I'm going to go for a quick swim, so come with me. Beautiful pool. Haven't even been in there yet. Leave the towel right here. Get in there. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Everything's just so perfect here, it feels like. Best thing about this water is it's warm. You just walk right in. You know, back home, a wetsuit's highly recommended. Here it's just not necessary. Woo. I don't know if you guys can see because it blends in really well, but the fastest crab in the world is right in front of me. I don't know if you can see that, but that was insane. Insane. Well, I got hot again walking back to find everybody, so we're gonna go in the pool. Hi, Becky. Hi again, everyone. We are going to, I'm probably saying it wrong again, we're going back to Tarcoles area, but this time for a crocodile tour on the river. I'm probably going to wrestle some crocodiles in the water. It's going to be very intense. And then everyone else is going to watch and record. So, everyone hyped up?
Yay!
Woo!
Super exciting.
Yeah, it should be awesome. Christine's going to check us in at the crocodile tours. Check us in well, Christine. Did you do a good job?
I did a good job.
Woo! Got to rest up before crocodile tours, that's for sure. Job, Nick. Basically getting a private tour here. There's no one on the boat with us. Thanks, COVID. Oh.
She knows when there's...
I am terrified right now. Yes on the yellow eyes, Becky. That was awesome. Normally I'd be the one feeding them, but these local guys wanted to feed them today, so we let them. Oh my goodness. Very scary. You guys want to see me wrestle this baby crocodile? Comment down below. If no one comments by the time I release this video, I'm not gonna do it. So comment, and I'll wrestle this guy. Monica Lewinsky here. And that's why we tip these guys. Hey, pretty girl. Nice. Okay. Baby croc. Oh. Nice. So we just finished up the crocodile tour. That was pretty awesome. Unfortunately, no one died. It's kind of boring, but it was like a private crocodile tour because we were the only ones on the boat, which is pretty sick. What do you think?
That was probably the best part. That we could just sit wherever we wanted.
You like exclusive?
Yeah, and see all the super cool crocodiles.
So when the shade was on one side of the boat, we could just go to that side?
Yes.
Yeah, good call.
Yeah, especially since I didn't put on any sunscreen.
That seems like a mistake, but I'm glad you had shade. Mom, what'd you think?
Oh, I loved it. Not only a crocodile tour, but a bird tour too.
Oh,
I was
yes.
amazed with all the birds.
Yeah.
From the little swallows to the big old cormorants.
Yeah.
Excellent tour.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty fun to be out on the water. Get to see all the locals doing their thing.
Yeah.
And the little baby crocs.
Baby
Can't beat
crocs in
that.
the bed. The really cool thing about Costa Rica is they have bathroom lizards. Ah! Okay, I'm just gonna pee, okay, dude? Don't bite me. Oh, there's a monkey. There's monkeys. Right, we just arrived at Playa Mantas, and that is a public beach, I guess. But we are walking to a cool snorkeling spot that is, like, I believe, around the point over there, and that is Playa Blanca. Found a mini waterfall. Whoa, Christine. Stuff we're walking on, we think is coral.
Oh, look. It looks like it.
Yeah.
Kind of
Crazy. And to get to our special beach, we are going to go away from the beach for a little bit. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right over here.
So we just climbed up right there, and now we're right here.
Boom.
This is our beach, I think.
So many fewer people.
Yeah. It's a real exclusive day, you know. We had the exclusive crocodile tour, and now we're on our exclusive beach. Well, there's two other people, it looks like. Maybe more around the corner, but pretty well deserted. What's that? Yeah, oh, it is, yeah. Okay, there's a ton of people here, but it's still a beautifully amazing beach. Doing a little exploring here, Playa Blanca, and some like miniature tide pools and stuff, and cave, sort of. I'm hoping this wave comes and splashes us, but I'm not sure. Also, it's raining out here and it feels just fine.
Becky, what's happening? It's raining! Woo! Yay!
This is where I'd stay if I can't get a room. Playa Hermosa. Look at all these fossilized details. So cool. Hi again, everyone. After the Crocodile Tour and Playa Blanca, we came back to Playa Hermosa and we had a nice little swim. And we're going to meet up with everyone for dinner in a little bit, but first we had our own little happy hour. Imperial, which is what everyone drinks here, so as are we. When in Rome, when in Costa Rica, when in Playa Hermosa.
We did Imperial Silver.
Oh yes, we did.
There's different types.
And watching a little vlog action, Ben Gravy, shout out, just while we drink, and then we're gonna go get some dinner. Let's go.
It's called Chili Guaro.
Chili Guaro. And Mike's not taking one because he already took one last year.
It's $2 for $2 right now, so it's happy hour.
Yep. Let's go. Woo! Ooh, spicy. Oh. You like that, Nick? So you're taking the bonus one?
I am really excited about this.
These are nachos on fried plantains. Let's go! What do you think, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
You ever had nachos like this? Your tuna action? Let's go.